Can you tell me about your best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Nam. He is 13 years old. He is funny and friendly.
What does your best friend look like?
He has short black hair and wears glasses. He is tall and thin.
What does your best friend like doing?
He likes playing football and watching cartoons.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met at school. We have been friends since grade 4.
Can you tell me about someone in your family?
Yes, my sister is Lon. She is 10 years old. She is cute and smart.
What do you like about your sister?
I like that she always helps me and plays with me.
Do you often talk about your friends or family to others?
Yes, I like to talk about them because they are important to me.